Hello, this is Nathan McEwen, and this is the loops video. Again, with the array video, it's the same thing. I have a picture here which I called via the file name in a string, turned into two picture objects. Explored the first one right here at the top, and then the second one I applied a method at the bottom, which is adding more green to it. Now it goes through, applies the method, and then it sets up a pixel array to get the pixels, sets a pixel variable, and sets it to null. Same with the ints. It makes a value, it's set to 0, color set to 0, and x set to 0. Now, this is done within a while loop and a for loop, which is the goal of this video. The while loop will loop through the width of the picture and on the x-axis, so it's going to go this way and keep going until it gets it's going to keep going, gets the width, and then it goes into, for each pixel or for each tick, it goes right, or on the x-axis. It then goes into a for loop, which goes on the y-axis, up and down. So it ticks over 1, then goes all the way down, ticks over 1, goes all the way down, and that's how it filters through this picture with an embedded loop. Then now the for loop is going to have the y updater, or sorry, the y variable put into it. It's going to already be set up, so we don't need to set it up here. Then this is going to go on the height, which is going up and down the picture, not the width. And it's going to, since the y is lesser than the get height, it's going to do inside of the for loop, which is get the pixel color at x and y, since we're going on two axes here. It's going to get the green value, times it by 2, set it to the get the color, and then set the green value. Then it's gonna then it's going to update here, which pretty much means it's going to go up and down all the way. Then it's going to come out and update the while loop, so that's how it goes forward. So while loop goes over 1, then it goes into the for loop. This situation happens. What was it called again? This condition happens, and then it goes all the way down. It updates, starts back to the top, goes right 1, goes all the way down, updates, goes to the right 1. It keeps going, and that is the loops.